Hey freelancers, ever found yourselves staring at your bank account, wondering if there's a smarter way to handle your hard-earned, often unpredictable income? Specifically, have you ever thought, can Acorns actually work for me as a freelancer? It's a question many of us in the gig economy ponder. We're not always pulling in a steady paycheck, our income fluctuates, and the idea of investing, let alone automating it, can feel daunting. Traditional financial advice often seems tailored for that 9-to-5, salaried life, leaving us freelancers to navigate the murky waters of finances on our own. But here's the good news: Acorns, with its unique approach to micro-investing and automated savings, just might be the financial sidekick you've been looking for. What's the freelancer financial roller coaster like? Before we dive into how Acorns fits in, let's acknowledge the financial reality of freelancing. One month you might be absolutely crushing it, landing big clients and feeling like a financial guru. The next? Crickets. Or maybe a few small projects that barely cover your co-working space rent. This feast or famine cycle is precisely why traditional budgeting and saving can be such a headache for us. We often grapple with irregular income, the most obvious challenge. It's tough to budget when you don't know exactly what's coming in. Self-employment taxes, a significant chunk of our income that often catches new freelancers off guard. You have to be disciplined about setting this aside. Lack of benefits, no employer-sponsored 401k, no health insurance contributions, no paid time off. We're responsible for everything. The temptation to spend: when a big payment hits, it's easy to feel flush and spend more than you should, forgetting about the leaner times that might be just around the corner. Saving for retirement and big goals, this often takes a back seat to immediate needs, but it's crucial for long-term financial security. Given these unique challenges, a financial tool that offers flexibility, automation, and a low barrier to entry sounds almost too good to be true. Enter Acorns. Understanding Acorns, more than just spare change. At its core, Acorns is an investment app designed to make saving and investing accessible to everyone, especially those who might not have a lot of capital to start with. Its most famous feature is roundups, where it rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. But it's so much more than just pocket change investing. Acorns offers several key features that can be particularly beneficial for freelancers. Acorns Invest. This is where your money is invested into a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, based on your risk tolerance. You choose from conservative to aggressive portfolios, and Acorns handles the rebalancing. Acorns Later, an individual retirement account, IRA, option, allowing you to save for retirement with tax advantages. This is absolutely crucial for freelancers who don't have an employer 401k. Acorns Checking, formerly Acorns Spend, a checking account with a debit card that integrates with your investment accounts, offering features like early payday and no-fee ATMs. Acorns Earn, a program that allows you to earn bonus investments when you shop with partner brands. Found Money, similar to Acorns Earn, this feature offers investments when you make purchases with specific companies. The beauty of Acorns lies in its automation and simplicity. It's designed to help you invest consistently, almost without thinking about it, which is a massive advantage when your focus is often on client work and project deadlines. Why Acorns can be a freelancer's best friend. Now, let's get down to the brass tacks. How specifically can Acorns benefit you as a freelancer? 1. Automating irregular income investing with roundups. This is where Acorns truly shines for the unpredictable nature of freelancing. While you might not have a consistent paycheck to set up a fixed weekly deposit, your spending habits are likely more regular. Every time you buy a coffee, pay for software, or grab groceries, Acorns can round up that transaction and invest the spare change. Imagine this: you're working on a big project, and payments are sporadic. But you're still making daily purchases. Those small roundups, over time, add up to significant investments without you feeling a pinch. It's like finding money in your couch cushions, but instead of finding it later, it's already working for you. This creates a consistent, passive investment stream that isn't dependent on your direct income flow. 2. Disciplined savings with recurring investments. Beyond roundups, Acorns allows you to set up recurring daily, weekly, or monthly investments. But my income is irregular, you might protest. True. However, even with irregular income, you likely have a baseline of earnings. You can start small, perhaps $5 or $10 a week, and adjust it during boom times. The key here is discipline. Even when things are slow, maintaining a small recurring investment keeps you in the habit. When a big payment comes in, you can easily make a one-time lump sum deposit into your Acorns account, giving your investments a significant boost. This flexibility is perfect for adjusting to the freelancer's financial flow. 3. Building a retirement nest egg, Acorns later. This is arguably the most critical feature for freelancers. We don't have employer-sponsored 401(k)s, which means we must take responsibility for our retirement savings. Acorns later makes setting up and contributing to an IRA incredibly easy. You can choose between a traditional IRA, tax-deductible contributions, taxes paid in retirement, or a Roth IRA, after-tax contributions, tax-free withdrawals in retirement. For many freelancers, a Roth IRA is an excellent choice as it offers tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement, which can be incredibly valuable when your income might be higher later in your career. The automated nature of Acorns later means you can set it and forget it, knowing that even small, consistent contributions are building towards your financial freedom in the future. This is your personal safety net, built brick by brick, regardless of your current client load. 4. Managing expenses and taxes with Acorns Checking. While not directly an investment feature, Acorns Checking can be a game changer for freelancers. Having a separate checking account for business income and expenses is a best practice. Acorns Checking integrates seamlessly with your investment accounts, making it easier to transfer funds and manage your money holistically. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.